Did you know that scientists have discovered a star that is essentially a diamond of 10 billion trillion carats? Are you as shocked as I am? Watch the video until the end to learn more about this amazing star while exploring the history of diamonds and how they are processed. From their formation, mining, crushing, cutting, and sorting to fitting into jewelry, every step of diamond processing promises a surprise. Diamonds aren't just a girl's best friend. They're the toughest natural substance in the world. They have been prized for centuries for their beauty, rarity, and durability. Diamonds are believed to have formed billions of years ago, and some of the diamonds found on Earth today could be over 3 billion years old. The first diamonds were probably discovered in India around 1000 to 901 BC. The ancient Indians believed that diamonds were tears of the gods, or fragments of stars that had fallen to Earth. They used diamonds for jewelry and religious ceremonies. Diamonds were also precious for the ancient Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans. There are many different diamond varieties, each with its unique characteristics. The most common and expensive diamonds are the colorless diamonds. Other types of diamonds include yellow, brown, pink, blue, and green diamonds. These diamonds are less costly than colorless diamonds, but still very valuable. The price of diamonds varies depending on their size, color, clarity, and cut. The smallest diamonds, known as melee, can cost as little as a few dollars each. Larger diamonds can cost tens of thousands of dollars or even more. The largest diamond ever, the Cullinan diamond, weighed about 3,106 carats, over 1.3 pounds. It was found in South Africa in 1905 and later cut into several large gemstones, some of which are part of the British crown jewels. Diamonds are also used in cutting tools, such as saws and drills, and in high-tech industries, such as lasers and computer chips. Today, the leading producers of diamonds are Russia, Botswana, Canada, and Australia. These countries account for over 90% of the world's 120 million carats diamond production. The United States is the world's largest market for diamonds. De Beers, the world's largest diamond producer and distributor, generated a revenue of $6.6 billion in 2022. The global diamond market was estimated at around $98 billion in 2022. Let's explore how diamonds are processed. Step 1. Diamond formation. Diamonds are formed deep inside the Earth's mantle, typically between 150 and 200 kilometers. That's around 90 to 120 miles below the Earth's surface. High pressure and high temperature are necessary for the carbon atoms to crystallize into the diamond's unique structure. The primary carbon source for diamond formation is organic material from dead plants and animals buried deep within the Earth's crust over millions of years. The organic carbon gets carried into the mantle through subduction zones, where tectonic plates collide, and one plate is forced under another. The pressure and heat at these depths are extreme, about 45,000 times the pressure at sea level, and about 1,652 to about 2,372 degrees Fahrenheit. That's nearly 900 to 1,300 degrees Celsius. Under these conditions, carbon atoms are forced to bond together, forming the crystal structure of a diamond. Step 2. Diamond depositing. Over millions of years, volcanic eruptions carry the diamonds to the Earth's surface. The volcanoes that carry diamonds are called kimberlites or lamproites. Kimberlites are found in South Africa, Botswana, Russia, and Canada. Lamproites are found in Australia, India, Canada, Russia, and the United States. Once the kimberlites or lamproites reach the surface, the diamonds are washed away by rivers and streams and eventually deposited in riverbeds and alluvial deposits. Step 3. Research. Geologists study the potential diamond-rich areas based on geological surveys and data analysis by aerial surveys, satellite imagery, and ground sampling to identify potential diamond deposits. Step 4. Mining preparation. Diamonds are mined from alluvial deposits and kimberlite or lamproite pipes. Once a promising site is identified, environmental assessments are conducted to ensure the mining activities won't cause significant ecological damage. The mining company acquires the necessary permits and permissions from regulatory authorities. Step 5. Mining. Diamond miners extract and process the volcanic rock to recover the diamonds using different methods. One of those methods is open pit mining. This process involves removing large amounts of soil and rock to reach the diamond-bearing ore below the surface using bulldozers, excavators, and explosives. The excavated ore is then transported to a processing plant for diamond extraction. Another method is underground mining. When diamond deposits are located deep underground and require tunneling to access them, a series of boreholes is drilled into the pipes to assess the size and shape of the pipe, as well as the diamond concentration in the ore. In the case of a shallow pipe, the mining team excavates a tunnel. The excavators remove the overburden and the explosives break up the pipe. Trucks, conveyor belts, and chutes extract the ore. If the pipe is deep, the mining team excavates a shaft using drill rigs and explosives. The drill rigs create a series of holes in the ground, and the explosives break up the rocks between the holes. Step 6. Crushing. The extracted ore is fed into a crusher that uses rotating hammers to break it up. The size of the hammers and the crusher's rotation speed will determine the crushed ore's size. The crushed ore is then screened to obtain the desired product, while the larger pieces are rejected and returned to the crusher for further processing. Step 7. Washing and drying. The crushed ore is now washed to remove remaining impurities. Water is used to flush the ore, carrying away the impurities. The washed ore is then dried by hot air. Step 8. Diamond recovery. The diamond-rich concentrate is collected and further processed to recover the diamonds. Several methods can be used for diamond recovery, including dense media separation, or DMS. Dense liquid suspensions separate diamonds according to their density. Another method is X-ray sorting. X-rays identify diamonds by their unique response to radiation. And a third method is grease tables. Diamonds stick to grease, while other minerals simply do not, allowing for separation. Step 9. Sorting and valuation. After recovery, diamonds are sorted based on size, shape, color, and quality. Each rough diamond is evaluated based on the 4 C's: carat weight, color, clarity, and cut. Step 10. Diamond cutting. The rough diamonds are sent to diamond cutting centers, where skilled artisans carefully cut and shape them to maximize their brilliance and value. Diamond cutting involves a couple of steps. The first one is planning the cut. The diamond cutter uses various tools and techniques to plan the cut, including a loop, a diamond tester, and a computer program. The next step is cleaving. Diamonds have 4 cleavage planes. These are the weakest planes in the diamond crystal, along which the diamond will most easily split. The diamond cutter uses a diamond saw or laser to cut a groove along the desired cleavage plane. Once the groove is cut, the diamond cutter will insert a steel blade into it, tapping it gently with a mallet, and the steel blade will cause the diamond to cleave along the groove, splitting the diamond into 2 or more pieces. The next step involves sawing. The diamond must be rounded by sawing it if it is not already round. The saw blade is made of a thin strip of metal loaded with diamond powder. The diamond powder helps to keep the saw blade sharp and prevents it from clogging. And the final step is brooding. The cutter uses a rotating lathe to hold the diamond in place. A second diamond, the brooding tool, is rubbed against the first diamond. The bruting tool is made of a softer diamond than the rough diamond, allowing it to shape the rough diamond without damaging. Step 11. Polishing. Polishing is the process of smoothing and shining the diamond surface. The cutter will use a rotating wheel covered in diamond powder. The diamond powder helps to smooth and polish the diamond surface. Step 12. Grading and certification. After cutting and polishing, the diamonds are graded and certified by gemological laboratories to assess their quality and authenticity. Step 13. Sales and distribution. Once graded and certified, the diamonds are sold through various channels, including wholesalers, retailers, and auctions. Step 14. Jewelry manufacturing and retail. Diamonds that meet specific criteria are used in jewelry manufacturing. The finished diamond jewelry is distributed and sold to consumers through retail stores and online platforms. Curious about the diamond star? In 2003, scientists discovered a white dwarf star composed of diamonds. It's about the size of Earth, located around 50 light years from Earth in the constellation Centaurus. Scientists believe that this star, named Lucy, was formed when a star about twice the sun's mass exploded in a supernova. The supernova explosion created so much heat and pressure that the star's core was compressed into a diamond. I wish scientists could find some of my favorite rare blue diamonds on Lucy. That'd sure make my girlfriend happy. What's your favorite diamond? Tell us in the comments section. Thank you for watching this video, and like and subscribe for more.